We're at Padre's camp today. He's got a almost full steel dumpster. I just matched that, and he's got this dump trailer out front. I'm not gonna run, but okay, I'll give it a little jog, fast walk. But he's got this dump trailer full of scrap that his boys that break down the units out front here take care of. So we'll put that last little bit of metal in the dumpster, make a load, and then we'll separate this trash and units, etc. Go ahead. I think that
God dog it every time I get off the phone.
maybe you should stop letting it go. Look at that. Homeless encampment activities. When you have to use a forklift to go get your trash can, it's pretty bad. You guys will see it in a second. Got the boss gonna line me up to the dump trailer so we can move that. Getting aggravated because I'm not paying attention to his hand signals. What a handsome looking rig. Brought the dumpster to Padre's because it's his once a month trash clean out day, so I don't know what's in there, but it's only half full or so. But we got that dump trailer there. We're gonna use a machine, grab all the trash out of that, stuff it in there hopefully, and then he's bringing out his trash can. Well, it only took him 3 to 5 business days to get out here, but we'll dump that on in there. Get the boss to video it.
Alrighty, well, this is the big tilter and it's full of trash at Pot's house. And we're about to dump it in here. This dumpster's halfway full. This should fill it all the way. So, yeah, there it goes. Hopefully it tilts. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's a real treat, brother. That's a real treat. Oh, Hey, Dad, you approve for this? Yeah, this is lovely. Man, you know, this is our favorite. Oh, look, there's a little bit of trash juice. Look at all that water. Good thing we got holes in the side of our dumpsters. All right, catch you guys on the next one.
Well, we got the dump trailer empty and the 30 yard filled up there. That'll be ready for pickup tomorrow. Now we'll go pick up all the trash that missed the dumpster. Amateur hour over here at the homeless compound.
We're putting this trash in there, or well, some of it, and we're just doing it to do it, I guess. I don't really know why we're doing it. Okay, hold on. Sorry for that view, guys. There you go. That's more mess to clean up. Our lucky day. Oh, come on, get off there, you dumb cardboard. Alrighty, well, we're at the landfill and we're dumping this black dumpster and then we're going to go get AC units. Alrighty, well, we're in the truck. It's a big old semi-truck, broke right down in the middle of the road. Everybody's running red lights. Well, right now it's green, but people running red lights. And we're going to... And, oh, what's this dude doing? Oh, my God. Jesus. Alright, catch you guys on the next one. This is frustrating. We just got back from picking AC units up and now we're dumping it, so catch you guys on the next one. Alrighty, well, we're going home, and while we were loading wood, look what we found. It's my dad's old sledgehammer at the homeless man's house, and
It's been in the freaking weeds
Yeah.
and dirt for years and years. I've been missing it, but no, he didn't know where it was.
yep. Alright, catch you guys in the next one.
So we finished up the day with a load of wood from the homeless guy's house. He had a tree cut down. I guess he isn't going to burn it himself and keep warm in the tent. But we also took this power unit from him. It doesn't run. We bought it from an auction, but it did try and run when we bought it. So I don't know what's wrong with it. But anyway, I'm going to take that and get it fixed because we're going to use this to run the hydraulic baler that the homeless guy has so we can bash aluminum coils in bulk. It was on a real long, like crane looking thing with a jib that had a couple 100 feet of cable. Supposedly this thing goes up on the roof of like a building, and you can use the long cable to bring material up on the roof instead of through the service elevator, etc. So it's a pretty nice unit. Hopefully it's able to get it running. It's electric start and auxiliary cooler and all that. It's a pretty high-end deal, I'd imagine, back in its day. There's a little better view of it. It's a twin cylinder 18 horsepower Honda with a super able looking pump. So it's all quick connect, so it can be dismounted from the crane quickly and easily, and then it's just like a hand truck with the two wheels. So I hopefully got high hopes for that. We'll see. Well, we finished the day out strong. We split all that load of wood you guys saw dump in this video probably. Old boss got a good stack going on. Coming back with his leaf blower to blow his machine off, and we'll put it in the garage.